up, everybody? This is Lover by Nature and welcome back to my channel. So I don't know if you guys can tell, but I am putting some box braids over my micro locks and I'm almost finished. So I'm going to finish up this last little section in the front. So if you guys want to see me do that, then stay tuned. So as I stated, I started on it last night. This is what I've accomplished so far. And I just have this little section left to go.
Okay. I'm Italy. So I am turning to real glasses.
Alright. So, yeah, so I just have this little section left. And so the brand of hair. Okay. So the brand.
This one.
Okay. So the brand of hair that I am using is the Easy Braid Professionals. It's the 26 inches already pre-stretched. And this color is T1B red. I don't know why it says red because the hair is quite black. But then at the front, it's purple color. So I'm just going to finish up recording a video. Okay. So I'm just going to finish up this front section. So this is basically how the hair looks in the front.
Bless you.
Thank you. It's basically like a purple color at the ends and throughout. So I'm just going to finish up the front. I'm going to stop talking until I finish. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Alright, y'all, so I'm on the final one. I had to stop recording for a second because I had to help my daughter. But what I have been doing is I've been taking 5 pieces. So I have my 5 pieces here. I take the 5 pieces and that's what's going to make one braid. So I take the hair and I literally used up that last pack I bought. So I'm just going to braid down. And I'm not braiding too tight because my hair is not fully locked yet. So I don't want to disrupt like the pull on my hair too much. Especially around my edges. So, and I'm still trying to grow my edges back. Every single time I try to twist, it's looking crazy. Alright, so I'm just gonna continue braiding down. So again, just braiding the rest of this down. Y'all, I feel like I got all kind of food stains on my shirt. I just ate. I was hungry really bad. So anyways, just braiding this all the way down. And then, even though this is feathered hair and I know that it will stay, I still like the extra security. And I just burn it a little bit right there. So that is all done. As you can see, for the most part, it is pretty much straight. But I am still going to go ahead and dip my hair in some water, hot water, and add my charms. And slick down my edges, because as you can see, I didn't want to put my edges in there because I'm trying to grow them out some more, so I can probably add just one more lock right here. But anyways, this is how it turns out. So I'm going to go ahead and dip it, and then I'll come back after I put my charms and stuff in and let you guys see the ending. What is up, everybody? It is the next day. My camera died yesterday, so I couldn't give you guys the results of the ending of my hair, but this is basically how my hair turned out. So what I did, I just went in and added some little charms that I had from previous time I've done box braids. I didn't buy any new ones. So basically what I did, I just braided. Let me see a bit on this one. I just braided in the little string into two of these braids. I added some of these little charm thingies in there. And then I also added these little ring thingies throughout. That's pretty much all I did with my hair. I did not braid them tight this time. One, because with previous experience when I had my traditional locks of braiding them too tight, I would not keep them in for no long period of time, because it would hurt so much because it felt heavy. But these don't feel heavy on my hair at all. I don't know if it's because these are micro. Sorry y'all. If these are micro locks this time, I don't know if that's the reason why it doesn't feel heavy, but it doesn't feel heavy at all. And yeah, all I did was just slick back my edges or whatever. I'm in dire need of a retightening, but my next retie is not until after the 4th, July the 4th, I think. But I'm planning on going to visit my family in North Carolina this Friday. I'm going to be staying down there for about 2 weeks because I haven't got to see my family since this whole pandemic started. Which I still don't plan on going anywhere when I get down there. I plan on staying in the house. But I really miss my parents. So I'm going to go see my mom and my stepmom, my mom, and then my dad and my stepmom, and my siblings, grandparents and stuff. So, but I do still plan on staying in the house because I gotta stay safe for my daughter And then this little one that's in the tummy. So that's another reason why I want to go ahead and braid my hair, so I won't be walking around looking crazy with just the bonnet on every day, which I probably still do that anyways. So I'm probably only planning on keeping these in for about 4 weeks, because like I said, it is almost time for my retightening. So I'm probably going to take these out a few days before it's time for me to do my retightening, so that can give my hair time to you know, breathe and everything before I retighten it again. So I will definitely come back on and show you guys me taking them out, so you guys can see how it looks, and I can tell you my pros and cons of doing this with micro locks this time, instead of doing it when I did it with my traditional locks that I used to have. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, like I said, the color in the front is a purple color, then the one in the back is just black. So yeah, that's just what it looks like. Let me just give you guys a little 360. Yeah, so that's pretty much it, you guys. So I will look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for tuning in. Peace.